Okay, what I want to do today is go through a few variations of kits that I've already built. That I've built some for my, my own pleasure, my own headphone type kits that are just kind of way over the top. Lots of ambience. Some kits. I have some versions, full-on heavy rock versions, where I use the presets from BFD for full-on heavy rock, and also tweak those to my own preferences. Big room type of presets. Some others for my Yamaha kits, like B-reverb type of effects, that type of thing. But the point is that, if you start with a default kit and you record something, let's say we're doing BFD, you build yourself a DS&D from that, you might find that that's nice and real. Sounds like a real acoustic set, because it is, and it's kind of raw. That's what most people's comments are about, the basic BFD2 stuff, is that it sounds like a raw sounding kit. Well, that's a good thing. I like to have that to start with. I like to make a version, all my versions, with the basic default type of raw kit, because that's probably going to be what you want to record. You're going to add your effects and things afterwards. But I also like to build a nice roomy version, and I also like to build a full rock version. On the jazz type of stuff, I like to have brush kits and rod kits, and so there's all kinds of things. You can use the presets to your advantage. So, do yourself a favor and play around with that stuff, because you can get some great results. My Yamaha Absolute kit, and this one is just default. Same kit with a little bit of B reverb added. My Yamaha custom jazz kit, just default. My Yamaha Oak kit, default. My Yamaha Oak kit with the JM Room 1 presets on it. So I had the default Tamburo kit on my other video, and this next one is the Tamburo Big Room kit that I built. Pearl Masterworks kit with a big room effects on it. DW kit with the heavy rock presets on it. DW kit with a big room preset on it. And my favorite Vistalite kit to date. This one's got the heavy rock preset on it.